Lights, camera, action! Hey guys, it's CJ and welcome back to another vlog. So, curious ba kayo kung nasan ako? We're here at another staycation. Okay, so syempre, since staycation, minsan lang to mangyari, we are gonna vlog. And this time, meron na akong camera stand. So, magiging steady, hopefully, yung pag-vlog natin for today's video. Ang energetic ko, no? Kasi, kaya ko sa pagiging energetic right now kasi kakatapos na ng class ko. Literally, after class ako nag-record ngayon. So, sabi ko, sige, napagod ka for class, deserve mo mag-vlog and just chill. So, nasan nga ba ako today? Ayan, unplug ko lang yung phone ko kasi naka-charge siya kanina. Ayan. So, we're here in Makati kasi I'm accompanying my sister for... Actually, hindi ko rin alam kung anong meron na event for her right now, if it's a conference or whatever. Pero ayan na nga. I'm gonna show you guys our hotel room. So, start tayo dito. We are at the walkway. I'll just flip the camera para mapakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura ng pretty hotel room namin. So, eto na nga. So, sa walkway pa lang, ito yung door. Yan, medyo dark. Yeah. So, here's the door. Meron kang makikitang paintings. 3 pretty paintings. And then, pagkaharap mo from the door is this. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? So, this is the room. Couch. Meron kaninang complimentary food. Kinain na namin agad ng sister ko kasi gutom kami. Eksaktong pagdating namin. TV. O, diba? Siyempre, ang magpa-play dyan since ako ang kasama nyo. Cartoons. And here is a desk. Dyan ako nakaupo kanina. Ayan o. Habang nag-aaral. Aral tuloy. Habang nagkaklase, yes, we are playing Honkai Star Rail. So, sa mga naglalaro ng Honkai Star Rail, pa-comment naman dyan sa comment section kung sino ang main ninyo. Kasi for me, I'm going between Blade, Jingliu, and Welt. Sila yung favorite ko. Anyway, sidetrack. Here is the bed. Single king-size bed siya. That's for the room. Tapos punta tayo dito. As always, my favorite na puntahan is, ito. Hindi muna dun sa favorite ko. Ito muna pala. Ito. Bago ako makapunta dun sa favorite ko, which is the bathroom, meron kami kita yan. Meron silang Nespresso. I love it. First time namin ng sister ko makahawa kanina. So, parang sabi namin, paano to ginagamit? Tapos, napasearch kami ng YouTube video. Tapos, sabi ko, hindi talaga tayo nagbabasa yun, no? Kasi nakita ko exactly kung saan nakalagay yung Nespressos is, at yung instructions. Hey, naku, CJ. Binabasa niyo yung dun sa, nilalagay na Nespresso pods. Tapos, hindi niyo nakita yung stas. Napaka-energetic, no? Anyway, let's check out the closets. So, ayan, let's open closet number 1. Wow, may pa-lights. Ayan, there we go. Nagsabit ako ng uniform ko kasi may class ako tomorrow. Para pagkagaling dito, diretso na sa school. May robes. Ayan, paplansyahin ko yan later. Plansyahin kasi medyo nagusto siya sa biyahe. And nag-request na ako ng iron and ironing board. Number 2 na closet. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. Ay, hindi nag-open yung lights. May lights to kanina eh. Nangyari. Anyway, halaka CJ. Ayan! Sana halaka CJ na sila mo. Ayan, nandyan yung mga bags. Meron ding mga drawers to insert your stuff. Nagay ko muna dyan yung bag ko kasi parang hindi siya nakakalat. So, next, we go to my favorite place. Hi, Sam! Diba guys, meron na akong camera handle. Ito ang OOTD natin minus the stippers. In fairness, very comfy yung stippers nila. Let's go to my favorite place na puntahan pag pupunta sa mga hotels, guys. Yan. Ito, medyo excited ako kasi tuwa ako sa nalaman ng sister ko kanina. There's a bathtub! Pamper tayo ng self later. Ayan. So, here it is, the restroom. Ang ganda. It's still so pretty. Ayan. Meron din silang amenities. Nag-prepare din yung sister ko kanina. Andyan na yung stuff niya. And here's the bathtub. May TV. We're gonna watch from that later. And then, the shower room. Meron sila yung from the ceiling na shower, and meron din yung handheld, and then some amenities. They have some shower gel, conditioner, shampoo, and soap. Ayan. So, yan yung room. So, that's it for the video, guys. Ay! Charot! Ayun, hindi pa tayo tapos. Siyempre, papakita ko sa inyo anong gagawin ko. So, dun sa last time kasi, hindi ko siya na-enjoy kasi after kong kumain, after kong, ano bang ginawa ko? After kong gumawa ng schoolwork things is, ano ba yung word? Biglang bagsak ako sa kama. Speaking of kama, sobrang soft nitong kama. It's so soft. Kanina, tinesting ng sister ko yung pillows. Wait. I-extend natin. Yan. Ganyan siya. Very, very soft. Kanina, tinesting ng sister ko yung pillows. I think she said it's too soft. Na-testing na. Oh my God. Oh nga, it's too soft. I share ng preference yan, no? It's too soft. Like, parang konti na lang is i-aanuhan ng unan. Lalamunin ka na ng unan. Yan, no? You melt dun sa pillow. Personally, prefer ko dun sa pillow is yung hindi ka lalamunin. Yung may konting away. Ay, away! Yung parang nagbabounce back. Ayun. Yeah, nagbabounce back. But this is nice. Ayan, ayan no, ganyan siya eh. Pag in-squeeze mo, ganyan siya forever. Unless ayusin nyo siya. Ayan no. Diba? Anyway, since done na yung class ko, I'm gonna freshen up, order some food para makakain na ako, and then gawin yung kailangan gawin. Kasi, yung mga kailangan gawin for school, malamang, kasi nga, hello, CJ, college student. Ayan, mag-freshen up lang muna ako, tapos, ayan, gagawin ko yung mga kailangan kong gawin, habang wala pa yung kapatid ko. Okay, so, nag-dress up na ako. Suot ko yung pajama ko underneath the robe. Sabi ko kasi, tuwing nag-hotel, I don't wear the robe. So, why not wear the robe this time? Diba? Experience niyo yan, guys. Ay! Since done na ako mag-pamper ng sarili ko, very relaxing yung bathtub, by the way. Time for skincare na. So, yun na. Skincare na tayo. Tara! Important yan, guys. Dapat nag-skincare kayo. So, dyan lang muna yung camera ko. And, mag-skincare na ako. Yun ang skincare, guys. Tapos, ano na tayo? Eat na tayo ng dinner. Kasi, according dun sa menu nila, yung dinner foods is until 9:30 lang, and time check, it's already like mag-8 na. So, para makarating din ng maaga yung food. So, tara, punta tayo dun sa labas. Okay, so I just ordered food. It's gonna be a few minutes. So, habang nag-aantay, ipa-plancha ko na yung uniform ko kasi during the travel, pinuntahan ako earlier in the day, so nagusot siya. So, since andito na, ayan, andyan na yung ironing board, tsaka yung iron itself. Magpa-plancha na ako dun. Oh, there's someone calling. Wait lang. Okay, so that was just clarification lang nung in-order ko na food. Anyway, taking the, ironing board and my uniform na para ma-plancha ko na. ko kung saan ko siya isasaksak, guys. So, may mali ako, guys. Nagay ko dito para makanood ako. Wala namang saksakan. So, balik tayo doon. Masyadong smooth yung surface. OMG. Ano to pa-plan? Super duper dulas. How am I supposed to do this? Ganyan-ganyan naman. Papaklaim ko na yung ironing board. After that, hopefully, nandito na yung food. Food's here, guys. Kain lang muna ako saglit. Open this up. Janjaran! Wow! Kain muna tayo, guys. My sister came back from the event seminar thing she attended. And I just finished eating dinner. Eksakto nga eh. So, I think na magaan muna ako. Gagawin ko yung kailangan ko ngayong schoolwork and study up. Hey guys, it's morning and we just woke up. We're prepping na para mag-prep para umalis kasi by 7 kailangan namin bumaba for breakfast, and then after that we're checking out. So ayun. Namutan ko i-close yung vlog last night, so this is technically yung closing na. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!